Watari reading manga. It's pretty cool. She's reading. What are you reading, Watari?
Sandalwood.
Yamino.
Yamino Matsui. Suzuki and Tatsumi pairing.
Oh yeah.
I guess.
Look at that hottie.
I don't care. I finally got porn from that series, so.
Hell
I'm
yeah.
happy.
I did too. It's something that I like.
I wanted Suzuki and Meraki as well.
I know. Damn it.
Up, there we go. You got some Tatsumi and Suzuki action right there. Look at there. Tongue and tongue.
Yeah.
Suzuki's always the bitch.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa. Whoa. And here's our room again. It's all crapped out, but you know, we're leaving today, so it really doesn't matter. There's my stuff. There's Watari's stuff. Damn! No, I'm kidding.
Some of your shit
Here's
there,
our
too.
kick-ass TV. Oh, I need my suit. So I'm going to get that right now.
You can't forget that shit.
Gotta get Mr. Tatsumi's suit. Here's my suit. Can't forget that.
Yeah, I thought your luggage was a little light.
There's my suit. Yeah, here's the black spot, which is the bathroom. Here's the bathroom one more time. And yeah, we're leaving today, so goodbye. This Kurokon kicks ass. Yeah.